Hello everyone, welcome to Shalini Foods. Today's video is wheat flour veg quesadilla. Let's start the recipe. In a vessel, add 4 tablespoons of oil. Add 4 chopped garlic cloves. Saute it for 1 or 2 minutes on low heat. Now add 2 medium-sized chopped onions. Saute them on low heat. Now add 2 medium-sized chopped carrots. Now add 2 small-sized chopped capsicum. Add 1/4 tablespoon of salt. Adjust salt as per your taste. Add 1 medium-sized tomato. Close and cook on medium heat. Now vegetables are cooked perfectly. Add 1/4 tablespoon of black pepper powder. Adjust salt as per your taste. Add 1 pinch of cinnamon and clove powder. Now add 1/4 tablespoon of coriander powder. Add 3 crushed red chillies, or you can add chilli flakes. Add 1/4 tablespoon of red chilli powder. Adjust red chilli powder as per your taste. Close and cook for 5 to 7 minutes on low heat. Veg curry is ready. Now take 1½ cup of wheat flour. Add 1/4 tablespoon of salt. Add water and knead into dough. Add 1 tablespoon of oil. Now make thin chapathis. Slightly fry them on both sides without oil. Repeat the process for other chapatis. Add 1 tablespoon of pepper cheese spread. Now add the veg curry. You can add more cheese as per your taste. Now fold the other side of the chapati and press slightly. Now add 1 tablespoon of ghee. Close and cook for 2 minutes on low heat. Add ghee and turn the other side. Close and cook for 2 minutes on low heat. Try the recipe and let me know your feedback in comments. Repeat the process for other chapatis. More breakfast recipes are given in the description box. Please watch them. Very healthy and tasty wheat flour veg quesadilla is ready. Serve hot. More interesting and healthy recipes are on the way. If you didn't subscribe till now, subscribe my YouTube channel, hit the bell icon and follow Shalini in Facebook and Instagram. Thanks for watching.